Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, njengoba izolo uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa bekahlangene noDonald Trump, kubanye abantu abehambe nabo Johan Rupert, naye uphiwe ithuba lokuthi akakhulume. Ukhulume kahle kakhulu Johan Rupert ngoba uchazile ukuthi cha, lento okuthiwa kubulawa ama-white farmers ayikho. Uchazile wathi kodwa nje inkinga ekhona yobugebengu ehlasela izwe lase-South Africa. Kodwa ngikuqaphelile kakhulu laphaya, ufike wa-embarrassa i-DA. Usuke la wayophoxa i-DA le phambi kwabantu le emazweni. Ngifisa ukukucaphunela leyo video. Ngifisa nje ukukucaphunela leyo video ngoba ngiyiqaphelile lento ukuthi hawu i-DA lekuhlala inconywa kuthiwa yenza kahle kakhulu eCape Town, Western Cape. Yebo khona yenza kahle kakhulu ngoba iCape Town iclean uma uyicompare neJoburg, iclean. Kodwa ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo, ngendlela abazincoma ngayo, ngiyaphoxeka ukuthi kungaze kuyokhulunywa ngokwehluleka kwabo kukhulunywe le emazweni. Kodwa kungaqali ngo-Johan Rupert ukuthi akhulume ngalento. Ngizocaphuna ivideo la kalo bhuti lwaka Adams lo mele le party le yamakhaladi, angazi noma i-NCC na igama layo, kodwa ke nayo uzoyizwa. Ngaphambi kwasingene kulo daba leli, ngiyacela usubscribe ku channel, ulike ivideo, ucomment, ushare, ulike. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nesupport engiyitholayo nothando njengilithola kule channel lungaphezulu kokucabanga kwami. Futhi ngithanda nendlela esibonisana ngayo lapha comment section. Sengathi singangayiyeka. Angicaphune nansi ivideo.
Johan, please.
Sorry, Mr. President, if you had to wind all of those tapes properly, you will see I'm the biggest target of that rabble-rouser. Number one for over 10 years, Mr. Malema. In fact, the first time I met him, he was in the youth league with that gentleman, and look how he's changed.
Right.
We have too many deaths, but it's across the board. It's not only white farmers, it's across the board. And we need technological help. We need Starlink at every little police station. We need drones. I actually got drones donated for the peace parks to stop elephant and rhino poaching. And his predecessor stopped the importation because he said the United States would spy on us. I mean, US basics, the ridicule. So if you can help us. Remember, sir, you and I lived in New York in the 70s. We never thought New York could be what it became. 2 commissioners.
Uma uZohan Rupert la uyachaza ukuthi lena inkinga ehlasela iSouth Africa yonke. Akungoba kuhlaselwa abamhlophe kuphela noma white farmers, kodwa kuhlaselwa wonke umuntu. Uyachazakela ukuthi inkinga nje yecrime ekhona. Uzuthi ke bazodinga usizo iStarlink nama-drone. Uthi wawaletha ama-drone la eSouth Africa, kodwa wayengumongameli sosikhathi okuJacob Zuma wayethe ethi cha akawemukeli ngoba iAmerica izospaya eSouth Africa. Iloko kokuqala kushilo, kodwa ngifisa ukuya kule party ayishilo kakhulu ngeDA noJohn Steenhuisen asizwe la.
He's right now building a house in George. I'm building 3 cottages for my grandchildren on a farm outside Graaff-Reinet. I often go to bed without locking the door. And we have a serious problem with illegal aliens who stream across the border. And if you really look at our statistics, a lot of these murders, firstly it's unemployment and illegal aliens. And then I met Vice President Watts many years ago, the Charlie Rose show. My wife loved the book. And she reminded me this morning that you emphasized the devastation that occurs when big companies leave towns and cities, and there's a culture of dependency that develops. And I remember you discussing it. Now that's our problem. If we don't get our economy to grow, the culture of dependency and the lawlessness will increase. I've again been against apartheid all my life, and I'm their number 1 target. Please just Google my name and Malema. You'll see it, sir. He marched on the
But
farm.
the crime is bad.
The crime is terrible, sir, but Mr. Steenhuisen won't admit to it, but he runs the Western Cape, where I live. And the biggest murder rate is in the Cape Flats. Gangs. We've got gang warfare. Like your M33, what are these guys? We've got equivalents there, but we need your help, sir. And we need Elon technology.
Well, one of the real areas of support is really in investments. We've got to grow our economy, because through growing the economy, we're then able to create more jobs. Because crime really thrives where there is inequality and unemployment.
Njengoba umuzwa uJohan Rupert echaza ukuthi into eyinkinga kakhulu ekhona lapha eWestern Cape, la futhi la khona amafama amaningi akhona, into eyinkinga ekhona indaba yamagang. Abantu babo uzuthi uJohn njengoba la angeke azayikhuluma, kodwa lo ndaba iranwa yibo. Lapha kunenkinga enkulu ye-rate enkulu yokufa kwabantu ngenxa yamagang. Kanti kwi-State of the Nation address ukhona lo bhuti lo ngemshilo lo phethe le political party yamakhaladi, I think i-NCC, yena wakhuluma kanje.
I note, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, that you took the credit for sending apples to Thailand. Tell us the truth. Whose work was it really? Because I just heard the Honorable Deputy Minister of Public Works come on the stage and say things about the GNU that makes me want to welcome the EFF in the crossover to become government. I think it's necessary. I think it is time. I want to say to you, Mr. President, you can correct your mistake. There is time, because I heard a man stand here wanting to engage the Minister of Police about cattle theft. But my boys are dying 10 at a time on the Cape Flats per day. He does not speak to SAPS about that. A white man's sheep is more important than colored lives to Honorable John Steenhuisen. He has the temerity to come and stand here and talk to us about education. But his government cut our schools by 2,400 teachers and took care to protect white public schools from the losses. Mr. President, you need to encourage the minister that it is okay to be stupid. It is okay to be a hypocrite. It is okay to be a racist, but to be a combination of the three, that is not okay. Not even here.
Njengoba uzwake ukusho ukuthi uJohan Rupert ubengaqamba amanga uma ethi la kuphethe khona uJohn Steenhuisen lo bugebengu benzeka khona kakhulu, ngoba nangu ubhuti uyasho ukuthi umzulu uJohn Steenhuisen ethi uzokhuluma nominister wamaphoyisa ukuze kubonakala ukuthi uchasa kanjani, ukhipha kanjani amaphoyisa amo ukuze ayonqanda indaba yokutshontshwa kwezimbuzi. Uzuthi shuthi izimbuzi, ukutshontshwa kwezimbuzi noma izimbuzi zebhunu zizwe zibalekile ukudlula impilo yamakhaladi, ngoba amakhaladi afa nsuku zonke lapha ya ngenxa yamagang. Sonke siyakwazi lokho noma singahlali khona, ngenxa ke yokuthi siyazibona izinto ku-internet. Makhulunywa ngendaba yobugebengu nezwe linamagang la khona okungabi safe khona, okufa khona abantu abaningi, siyazi ukuthi kuse-Western Cape kunendawo njengo-Khayelitsha, oGugulethu, kuphethe i-DA, kodwa lapho iphethe khona yodwa ingabambisane na any political party iyehluleka. Awucabanga nje uJohn Steenhuisen esuke la ahambe nabantu bese beyophoxeka phambili. Kodwa ke phela hayi ukuthi bekukuphoxeka, iqiniso kwesinye isikhathi livela kanjalo. Into yabona kube bamsukela ngabe ngiyamzwela ukuthi hawu manje bakhuluma into eyiyo, ngoba nangu phela ubhuti lo uyafakaza. Wayengaqali futhi ukuyikhuluma lento, ngicela uzwe la.
Show us the colors. We are not a non-entity, but I'm sitting here today representing people who are hopeless. We are committed to ending white supremacy in the Western Cape. That is so flippant that a mere 8% of white people occupy 50% of all management positions in the Western Cape, while colored people with degrees sit at home or worse. As the NCC, we are committed to returning the land that was taken, listen to how I say it to you, taken from us, scars from which we will never recover. We are committed as the NCC to ending the DA in the Western Cape by any means necessary. I say to you today, Lance, South Africa, that this country will never yield until it treats the colored community fairly. Until we have that day, we can forget about talking about freedom. Remember, Nelson Mandela says, our freedom, it can never be complete until the Palestinian people are free. Yet South Africa finds itself with its own version of the Palestinian people. You know them as the Coloreds. 2024, we bring you the Colored Spring. Mr. Premier, you need to empty our house.
Hayi njengoba uzizwela nawe inkulu inkinga ese-Western Cape. Kodwa ke ukube i-DA izimisela ukukulungisa lokho, kabiya kulungisa kodwa iprioritize kakhulu impilo zabamhlophe. Ngoba abantu abahlala koGugulethu nasekhaya elisha abantu abamnyama. Yingakho indawo zakhona zi-underdeveloped. Yingakho abantu abahlala kulezo ndawo konyanga nazo zonke lezo ndawo zi-underdeveloped because i-DA iprioritize abantu abamhlophe. Njengoba umuzwa nje ubhuti ekhala ukuthi even nakuma positions kukuphetha abelungu bese kuthiwa i-DA khona kwenza Western Cape la iphethe yona yodwa. Kodwa nje indlela uJohan Rupert enze ngayo ngicabanga ukuthi yinhle kakhulu. Ngoba kukusiza ngani ukuthi kukhulunywe ngenkinga kulokuthiwa sinenkinga nje yobugebengu le endaweni yase Western Cape. Uma lo muntu oyiphethe le ndawo ekhona ngcono amkhomba ukuthi nangu uyahluleka. Futhi hayi ukuthi uyahluleka kanamzame yenzayo ukuze ukwazi usinqanda leso simo. Njoba desho nje uAdams lokuthi umzwile ekhuluma ukuthi uzokhuluma nominister wamaphoyisa ukuze kubonakala ukuthi kanjani kuliwe nendaba okweboka kwezimvu. Kodwa impilo zabantu akezi nesu ukuthi sokhuluma namaphoyisa sibone kwenziwa kanjani ukuthi sikukhulunywa namaphoyisa ukubonakala ukuthi inqandwa kanjani lento yokuthi kuphela indaba yamageng, ibhamu, ikhali, kuboshwa abantu abenza into wrong. Akazimisele ngalokho. Ngicela ukuma la kodwa bengithi angikuvezela ukuthi hey kuyonke into ekhulunyiwe neyenzekile sizokhuluma ngalokho okunye kodwa lokhu ngikuzwe kubalekile. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ungasupporta ngokujoin membership yale channel. Ungasupporta futhi ngokusidonatela nganoma ngamalini onayo. Ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ngiyabonga.